How about if you leverage on Facebook to getting coaching clients into your coaching business? Yeah, Facebook is free, it's easy to use, and there are loads, billions of people on Facebook who can definitely buy from you. That's why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 major hacks, that you can leverage on Facebook to get coaching clients who will pay you for your services. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. So I love Facebook because I literally built my entire coaching business from a Facebook group. I built it on Facebook. That was the only channel I had when I was launching out as a coach. It happened that, after I got certified and all of that, I was lost as to where to get consistent stream of coaching clients. And I had a friend who had a Facebook group, and it was that group I began to serve. I began to send, do posts, messages. I became a respected thought leader in that Facebook group. And it was that same Facebook group I offered my very first coaching program, my coaching package. It was like a birthday gift I gave, everyone on the group. But of course, there was, I had parameters by which to choose those that would work with me. So I got about 10 of them on board, and I coached the living daylight out of them for 1 full month. I got those people beautiful testimonials. I got them transformational results, and they went about singing my song. Okay, they were my very first coaching clients, and it was such a beautiful experience for me. And that is why I thought, let me share with you too, in case you're wondering what platforms to leverage on to build your coaching business. Okay, now I'm going to tell you that Facebook has it. And the first one you have, which you are likely underusing, is your Facebook profile. Yes, your normal Facebook profile. Not your business page, but your personal profile where you have your friends, you have your classmates and all of that. Yes, that same page. If you happen to have people who have negative energy around what you do, block them. That's it. Just block them. Don't give room for negativity around you. No, block them off. And then once you've done that, use your profile to share testimonials and share stories. Share your client stories, what they did, what was nice. Share your story, and encourage people to share, to share with their friends. Share valuable content there. What is working for you, what is not working for you. Make it like your diary, not sharing intimate stuff. No. Just your coaching business updates. Okay, from your current friends, you will have those who will, want to have you talk to them or someone they know. They will then refer those people to you. That's the first one. The second one, which I love so much, is Facebook groups. Oh yes. Groups that contain people who are likely to buy from you. What do you do there? You become an authority by teaching on the group. Okay, teach and engage in the group. So you teach people as it relates to your niche, you inform them, you educate them, share jokes, trending news, how to do this and that. And before you know it, I promise you, with 10 content pieces, you would have become an authority. You'll be perceived as someone who has what it takes to help them. And then answer people's questions. When they are asking questions that relate to your niche, give robust, valuable answers to those questions. Do you know what happens? They get interested and they click on your profile to view your profile page. And thankfully, you've been building your profile page. You've been curating valuable content and testimonials and stories. And all of this will come together to validate their perception of you. And if you have, a link in your profile, you have a link in your bio, that is a fantastic way for you to lead people to your lead magnet. Or some may even have urgent needs for what you have to offer, and they will send you a DM and ask you, oh, please, how can you help me? I'm having this issue based on what you shared. Oh, this is so good. So what do? You can lead them to your free lead magnet, or you ask them to apply to book a call with you. Now, on the call, hear me very well. They apply to have a call with you, which means you won't lead them straight to your calendar. You want to qualify people who book a call with you. They mustn't be just anyhow person, just book a link. If not, you will end up hating yourself and hating even the people, because they just come on your call. Some won't even show up. Some won't even show up if it's a free call. So what do? You ask them questions on a Google form or something that will qualify them as the kind of people you want to speak with or you want to have a call with, because they must be your potential customers. You got it? I know you did. So, mind you, while on the call with you, you want to get them to buy from you. So on the coaching call, you will invite them to work with you after you have shared your signature solution system with them. And by the way, I have a full tutorial on how to design a signature coaching framework, all right, from scratch, in a way that provides transformational results to your clients. The link will be below this video, okay? So get them to book a call with you. On the call, share with them your framework and then invite them to work with them, to take them through that coaching framework that can help them to solve their problems. And the final Facebook feature you want to leverage on is Facebook ads. Yes, you want to set your adverts to your low-end offer or your free lead magnets to build your email list. If you're starting from scratch, you may be particular about building an email list. But there's a level where you get to where you're like, no, I want customized lists. And that way you can put up your free lead magnets open without an opt-in, page on your funnel. And by the way, I have a fantastic masterclass on the basic sales funnel that every coach needs to have. The link will be below this video, okay? So you can have your advert set to a free lead magnet, a free, consumable content for them to just consume and get to know you, get to like you, get to trust you, and possibly get to buy from you. Or else you can run your advert to your low-end offer. That means anything between $7 and $19 or even $49. They are called SLOs, self-liquidating offers. Okay, so just be mindful of that, and then that's it. Those are the features that you can leverage on as far as the Facebook platform is concerned. These features, they greatly help your personal profile, Facebook groups, and Facebook ads. Don't be shy about spending money to build your business. So have a monthly allocation for your coaching business. How much will you spend every month to build your brand and push what you've got to your ideal audience? Is that good? Yes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm so happy you watched it to the very end. If it made sense to you, go ahead and hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel, and share with someone you know would need this. And if you have questions or you have comments to share with me, drop them in the comment section and I would love to read from you. Thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.